If I lost everything tomorrow, no money, no followers, nothing but a phone, this is exactly how I'd start making money online from scratch in 2025. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'd start making money online if I had absolutely no money at all. No followers, no budget, no email, just a phone and an internet connection. And a few hours a day, of course, to make it work. Now, I've built multiple online income streams. I run an academy that helps people do this full time. But if I lost it all tomorrow and had to start over from scratch, this is the roadmap I'd follow. No gimmicks, no hype, just a clear strategy that you can follow if you want to start earning online in 2025, even if your bank account says zero. And I'm not going to tell you to fill out surveys or sell your soul for $3 an hour. This is about building something real. If you stick around to the end of the video, I'll walk you through exactly how to turn your time and energy into income without spending a penny up front. And real quick, if you're serious about building a real online income this year, then hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I drop new strategies every week to help you grow and succeed faster. So let's get real for a second. What does it actually mean to start with no money? It means you're not trading dollars, you're trading time, energy, and consistency. And most people don't realize that that's way more valuable when you're just starting out. Because if you've got time to learn, time to create, and time to improve, then you're already ahead of 90% of people who quit before they've even given themselves a chance. Most people get stuck thinking, well, I can't start a business because I don't have any money. But the truth is, money is only one kind of leverage. And when you're broke, your leverage comes from your skills. That's what pays online. Skill stacking. Learning how to communicate, how to write, how to market. That's what drives traffic, and that's what makes sales. And that's what nobody can take from you. People will spend 3 years jumping from one make money online method to the next and still end up nowhere because they never slow down long enough to actually build the skills they need to succeed. But if you commit to just one path and stack 1 or 2 high income skills on top of it, then you can build a real business from absolutely nothing. This video is going to show you how to do that, starting today. Alright, if you're starting from scratch with no money, there are 3 real ways to start making money online that actually work. No gimmicks, no crypto, no filling out 4 surveys for $1. The first way is content creation. YouTube, TikTok, a simple blog. Even if you're just starting with your phone, content creation is free and it's the fastest way to build attention. And online, money follows attention. You don't need to be a pro editor, just pick a niche, start helping people solve real problems and stay consistent, whether it's tutorials, personal stories or tips. You can turn content into income through ad revenue, brand deals, and of course affiliate links. The second is affiliate marketing, and this is my personal favorite because it's free to start and it is incredibly scalable. You don't need your own products, you don't have to deal with shipping or customer service, you just recommend things that you genuinely believe in, and when someone buys, you earn a commission. It is as simple as that. Pair that with content and you've got a system that can make you money every single day, even while you're asleep. And the third is skill-based freelancing with an affiliate backend. Offer to build someone a simple landing page and embed your affiliate link in it. Help someone write an email sequence and use affiliate tools that you get paid for. Do the work for free if you have to, because now you're building experience and commission potential at the same time. Now, if you want quick cash, freelancing is the fastest. But if you want freedom and long-term income, affiliate marketing combined with content creation, is the smartest path, by far. Okay, now let's break down the exact affiliate marketing game plan I would follow if I had to start again today with no money. You don't need a website, you don't need a funnel builder, you just need one offer, one page, one platform, and consistent action. The more time you put in, the better the results will be. So step one, pick a niche. This is where most people go wrong. They pick something random or just way too broad. You want to find a niche that has three things: real steady demand, products that pay you a good commission, and long-term interest. Something that's not going to disappear overnight or in a couple of weeks or a month. You want something that's going to stick around. Now, here's the free way to figure it out. Go to YouTube, Reddit, TikTok, and search for terms like how to lose weight after 40, how to make money on Etsy, or the best AI tools for business. If you see lots of views, comments, and recent content, then you've found demand. Step two, find affiliate programs in that niche. This is where you make money. Find a product that solves a real problem and pays you well. Look for things like online courses, digital products, or software tools, especially ones with reoccurring commissions or high-ticket payouts. I have a free guide that goes into more detail. I'll leave a link to that in the description of this video. Step three, use free tools to set up your system. Don't overcomplicate this. You don't need ClickFunnels or Kajabi on day one. Here's what I would recommend. Use System.io to build a free landing page, or use Linktree to share your links. Use ConvertKit's free plan to start building your email list up to 10,000 subscribers. Simple is better. Your setup should be one page, one lead magnet, and one follow-up sequence. Step four, pick one traffic platform and go all in. Don't try to do YouTube, TikTok, blogging, Instagram, and Pinterest all at once. Pick one, whichever fits your strengths. If you love talking, do YouTube or YouTube Shorts. If you like writing, use Reddit or Quora. If you're a natural on camera, then TikTok is gold right now. Your job is to show up, give value, and direct people to your link. No hard selling, just helpful content that solves real problems. Step five, stack momentum. Your first few posts probably won't go viral, but every piece of content builds on the last. Every post is a breadcrumb that leads people to your offer. This is how you start making commissions, and this is how I would start to make commissions, with zero in my account. Just time, effort, and execution. Okay, so if you're serious about making money online with no startup capital, there are a few traps that you absolutely need to avoid. First of all, don't spam. This is where 90% of beginners blow it. They drop affiliate links all over Facebook groups, Reddit threads, or YouTube comments, hoping that someone will click and buy. That doesn't work. Not only does it destroy your credibility, but it gets you banned, blocked, or ignored. Affiliate marketing is about trust, not desperation. Second, don't fall for the overnight money promises. If someone says they'll make you $500 by tomorrow with zero effort from you, run fast, because it's not true. Building income online takes time. Yes, you can see results fast and in a few weeks, but only if you show up every day and follow a real strategy. Third, don't jump from method to method. One day it's affiliate marketing, the next it's drop shipping, then it's print on demand. Every model works if you give it enough time and energy, but none work if you quit after 3 days. Look, if you're starting with no money, you can't afford to waste time chasing shortcuts. You've got to commit, focus on one system, one traffic source, one offer, and give it 30 to 60 days of consistent execution. That is how people win. Alright, if I had to start again from absolute zero, here's what I would do every single day for the next 30 to 60 days. Step 1, Pick one affiliate offer, something proven, something high converting, something that I actually believe in. Step 2, build one simple page. Use a free tool like Systemi or Linktree, something that lets you collect emails and drive traffic to an offer. Step 3, pick one traffic source. Personally, I'd go with YouTube Shorts or TikTok because the organic reach from those is crazy right now. But if I wasn't comfortable on camera, then I'd hit Reddit or Quora with written content. Step 4, post one piece of content every day. Short, helpful, valuable, not selling, just solving problems that people already care about. Step 5, learn while I build. I'd spend at least 30 minutes a day learning copywriting, marketing, and building better systems because every new skill gives me more leverage. That is it. 30 to 60 days of showing up like that and you will have results. Maybe not 10k overnight, but your first sale, your first email subscriber, your first real progress. And from there, it just compounds. Now, if you want to skip the guesswork and follow a full system that I teach inside my business, from setup to scaling, I've put together a free ebook for you called Unlocking Financial Freedom with Affiliate Marketing. You'll find a link to that in the description below. And if you're ready to go deep, then I walk you through every step of this inside my Affiliate Marketing Masterclass. That's also linked below and you can use the code MINDSET for a big discount. Drop a comment below, let me know what's your first income goal. Is it $50 a day, $500 a day? Whatever it is, I want to hear it. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.